In today's guide, we will dive into the essential steps for cleaning your water softener, ensuring it operates efficiently and provides you with soft, quality water. Follow along as we break down the process, making it simple and straightforward to everyone to maintain their system. If you have any question, you can ask me on the comments.
Welcome to our guide on how to clean a water softener. Regular maintenance is key to its efficiency and longevity. Start by turning off the water supply to the softener. Remove the brine tank lid and scoop out any salt crust or sediment. Clean the tank with soap and water, then rinse thoroughly. Refill the tank with fresh salt, ensuring it's the correct type for your system. Check the resin tank and clean it if necessary, following the manufacturer's instructions. Perform a regeneration cycle to flush the system. Inspect and clean the valve between the brine tank and resin tank. Regular cleaning and maintenance will ensure your water softener works effectively and lasts longer.